Stay until the end. I'll show you a simple AI trick that can help you make money online. And if you install the tool I recommend, you can start earning too, even from your bedroom. We start our story. He was just 16 years old when he turned his small bedroom into $1 million company. No investors, no rich parents, just one laptop and a big dream. Meet Ben, a high school student who loved customizing sneakers for his friends. What started as a fun hobby soon became a full-time business when his TikTok videos went viral. Every time he posted a pair, thousands of people asked how to buy them. So he built a simple website, took pre-orders, and kept creating every day after school. Within 6 months, his side hustle exploded. Over $1 million in sales. What made Ben different wasn't luck. It was consistency, learning digital marketing from YouTube and using every free tool he could find. He reinvested every dollar into better materials and packaging. Soon, influencers started wearing his shoes, and big brands took notice. Ben proved that you don't need an office, a team, or a fancy degree to build a business. You just need to start, even if it's from your bedroom. And that's your daily dose of money. Subscribe for more stories that prove success starts small. TrendSpider is an AI-based trading platform that helps traders analyze charts, spot trends, and find the best entry and exit points automatically. It uses algorithms to scan markets, crypto, stocks, forex, etc., and gives real-time signals based on technical analysis. Key features: automatic trendline detection. AI finds support resistance zones for you. Smart alerts when a breakout or pattern happens. Backtesting tools. Test your strategy before risking real money. Multi-time frame analysis. AI compares different time frames to predict momentum. How people make money with it. Identify profitable trading opportunities faster using AI signals. Automate chart analysis instead of spending hours looking at data. Avoid emotional decisions. Let AI handle technical analysis objectively. Some users use TrendSpider Insights to build strategies they resell to other traders. Trading always involves risk. This AI helps you make smarter decisions, but it doesn't guarantee profits.